Alrighty guys, so we're gonna check out this box. Like I said, it's already been opened. It's taped up, it's got peanuts, so let's just hike this beast downstairs. It's kind of a big box. I don't know how to really get it downstairs because the stairs isn't wide enough. Oh my goodness. So, just gonna do one of these. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, thank goodness for carpet. Ooh. Oh, my toes. Drag it over here. Ugh. Like I said, I went back to the ring camera, and the first day the box was actually sealed. So I had a factory seal on the first day. And then the second day, which is today, the box has been opened and retaped up. So yeah. Missed yesterday. I like to trust the guys and say that nothing happened, but you never know with these high dollar amounts what you're gonna get. So here we go. I'm nervous, man. I see a lot of peanuts. I had the GoPro mounted to my head, and when I got done dragging this amazing box down the stairs, I must hit the photo button or switch the settings or something. So during this whole unboxing, I actually just took photos of every single item that I took out. So basically it was just like bam, bam, and you know, just so on. So unfortunately we don't have the awesome emotions that ran through me as I unboxed everything and dove through all these peanuts, so I apologize. And then, you know, on top of that, it was just a really bad unboxing video because I was diving through all these peanuts and whatnot. But if you guys have skipped the video already, I just want to give you guys a recap. Basically, I missed the package the other day, and it had the factory seal. And then I got it the next day, and it was taped up. All taped up, and then had peanuts taped to the box. So I was like, what the heck? What is going on? Like, if you get a high dollar amount box and it shows up taped up and have already been opened up from the factory seal, obviously you're gonna be tripping and be a little worried, right? So that's what I was dealing with yesterday, and after messaging the seller, they're like, yep, open it up. So that's where we are. So I tried to document it, but epically failed. So let's just get right into it, what we got. So right off the bat, we got the intake that's gonna connect to the factory air box. So these two together, blah blah blah. I forget what this one. Oh, so this is my pulley. I am upgrading to a lower pull, or a smaller pulley, so it's a 348. And then over here we got the intercooler. Oh my gosh, this is the coolant tank, relocation stuff, supercharged oil. We're gonna need lots and lots of these because knowing how I drive and how much I drive, you know. Over here we got a blow-off valve, nothing to really see. It is a tank, it's so big. That thing big. Then we got the actual unit there. We got the bracket for the unit to bolt up. Got a belt. And then over here we just got some miscellaneous pipes to connect all that stuff. The intercooler is upstairs, so nothing to really see here. So boom, this is just the V3 trim, nothing crazy. It's just a little baby one, 4-inch inlet there, so nothing crazy, like I said. And it's not a turbo, okay? This is not a turbo, you guys. It's similar, very basic design. Turbo uses exhaust. These just use pulleys, make boost. So nothing too crazy. It's just the factory 3.6 on here, but we are going to switch it to the 348 over there. So yeah, that's what that looks like. It's a beast. It's pretty cool looking. Like I said, I have everything else upstairs. Everything is in. I don't have a checklist for this stuff, so I'm a little worried that I might be missing like a pack of bolts or something small, something stupid. So, but I guess we're gonna have to find out in a couple weeks here as I hand it to Bowen to install all this stuff. And then, yes and no, I'm not installing it myself, and Oh my gosh, you're such a wimp. You're a bad car enthusiast, blah, blah, blah. I'm glad that's done with. We got the main items at least. We got the Vortec, we got the pipes, the bracket, the nice blow-off valve. I gotta say, this blow-off valve isn't the loud race one, so it's gonna be pretty stealthy next season. That's what we're shooting for next season, is to be stealthy. So we got that quiet blow-off valve, and I know I really like the loud blow-off valves, and I get it. It's cool. It's obnoxious, but that's not what we're going for next season. Maybe down the road when I kind of give up hurting people's feelings. Alrighty, so upstairs where my other stuff is, we just got oil pump gear stuff here, and then we got FICs. Yep, I know what everyone's gonna say. You should have got IDs, but honestly, all those guys are just fanboys that run IDs anyways. And then this is my catch can. And then this is my fuel system right below here. I'm not going to go through it. It's a bunch of yellow baggies that I have never opened up yet. This is over here just a pulley tensioner. So I went with I upgraded. This was like a $500 option just to get prevent belt slip and stuff. So then we got an intake that's going to go on the front of the Vortec. Then we got some spark plugs down there. So nothing too crazy up here. Like I said, yeah, we're back at the FICs. I like them. You know, I ran them on my CTSV, never had an issue. Tons of buddies run IDs, always get issues. So hey, it is what it is, man. I'm not gonna debate about that. They're both great products. I just haven't had the chance to run IDs, and honestly, for the extra price of them, I don't see really a point when I've had good luck with FICs. And yep, here it is. Over here we have the amazing intercooler from Vortec. More peanuts. I'm very happy that they shipped everything with peanuts, like tons of peanuts, guys. Tons. So yeah, this is the Vortec. The intercooler. Nothing to really see. Yeah, so Vortec, sorry, it's upside down, but yeah, you guys get the idea. I think it's like a 4-inch. I don't know. What do you guys think? You know, all my viewers are Asian. You know what I mean? It's about 4 inches, right? Yeah, 4 inches. Maybe 3.5. I don't know. It's definitely not 2. But anyways, this is a beast. I'm surprised that both items were shipped together, but this came a week earlier and in way better condition than the actual Vortex box. I mean, the Supercharger box. You know what I mean? So, very strange. That's why I was so curious and nervous about opening up that big box, because they're both shipped together, but this came a week earlier, and that box was opened. You know what I mean? So, crazy stuff. So, we're going to go check out my fuel system here. We got the Stage 2 fuel system here. Basically, pretty basic setup, you guys. We're running dual pump, 465s, high pressure. I know what everyone's gonna say. You could have got a triple pumper with, was it like 480s or something ridiculous. I forget the other size bigger than this, but yeah. Anyways, no, that's a little overkill for what I'm doing, and I get it. A lot of people are gonna recommend it. Yeah, if you got money, sure, that's fine. Not me. This setup is gonna be plenty for my little V3. Let's work down the list here. We got the Stage 3 control. Oh, FC3 staged controller. I was so excited to say Stage 3 controller. Man. I gotta get my mind off them Subi stuff. So working our way down the list here. What else we got? We got filtration side. Yep. Then we just got the pressure switch. So nothing too crazy on the fuel system side. Pretty basic. We just upgraded fuel pumps. So really no extras here. And price is pretty much the price. So looking at the Supercharger here, $7,400. I could have gotten it for cheaper, I get it, but we did get the oil. So this is looking through my options here. We get basic V3 head unit, FIC 1000s. I know what everyone's gonna say. Should have got IDs. I get it, but I've never had a problem with FICs, and they're cheaper. So knock on wood. They were great in the CTSV when I had it. FICs were great, man. I would only run IDs if you're a fanboy and you got big pockets. Okay. We did not run a booster pump because we're not going to rely on a booster pump, you guys. We're going to run a full fuel system and not worry about the booster pump crapping out on us. Okay. I get it. You can run a booster pump. A lot of people would do it, and then they run 1,000cc injectors. I get it. A lot of people do it. I think like 90% of people actually do that setup. It works great. Not for me. We did get the FC3 controller. On the fuel system, we actually ordered one also. So I got two FC3 controllers on ordered. Only one came in, so I'm looking for a credit. So I still have to message them about my credit about this. 347 pulley. They actually don't make a 347 pulley anymore. It's like a 348, but pretty close. Same thing. Cold air intake. We are not doing that. We're just getting a little cone, putting it on the front, and then no thermostat. I know what people are gonna say. We should run a lower thermostat. Whatever. We did get spark plugs, and then some of the bigger ticket items was the belt tensioner pulley here. Why not? Because belt slip is very bad. We want the quiet gear sets right here. I cannot stress this one enough. Quiet gear set, because the Hellcat owners are gonna be so mad next season. And then we did get a catch can because catch cans. Okay, I'm a believer in the catch can. If you never drained out a catch can, my goodness, is that thing nasty. So you definitely don't want that bad stuff coming back in. And then boom, we got a little cone on the front of the unit. Should be interesting. So then the last thing we ordered was the OPG. A lot of speculation about do you need OPG and whatnot. Is it only for manual owners? When you're banging out the rev limiter, the stock ones always break. Hey man, I don't know. I've seen enough fail. I guess it's $330. You might as well get it. Going boosted. I don't know. You might as well get it, I guess. Insurance, right? Cheap insurance, $330, right? I don't know. A lot of people recommend it. Definitely crank support right here. This is right here. You definitely need that. Especially running boost and whatnot, running these centrifugals, Vortex, Pro Chargers. Man, don't skip out on this, you guys. Need it. You can still snap them, I guess, but I guess just cheap insurance, just get it. So that's basically the setup, you guys. Nothing too crazy with the setup. Basic. I could have done for cheaper, like I said, but like I said, you're already there. You might as well do it.